Hello guys, I thought I'd introduce you to our latest addition. This one is a little velvet spider. There's many types of velvet spider. This one's an Eresus balcanicus, which I've probably said that completely wrong. But it's basically a yellow-faced ladybird spider. As you can see, the colours haven't come through yet. This usually happens in one of its final molts into adulthood. They're an awesome species to keep as they're super easy to care for. They need a small enclosure so they can find the food easily, and they need it bone dry, so no water dish, no misting to do, and some really dry substrate. We used the spider shop and arid earth mix and then dried it a little bit more before using it. They get all the moisture they need from their food. As spiderlings, also known as slings, they'll eat fruit flies, and then as they get bigger you can feed them waxworms, wax moths, green butterflies, and even small locusts when they're big enough. With them coming from the eastern Mediterranean, they like to be kept warm around 24 to 26 degrees, with a 12-hour light cycle as well. These guys live a little longer than jumping spiders. Boys can live between 1 and 2 years, and females can live up to 5 years, which is pretty awesome. They're usually pretty docile and like to hide away, although as you can see here, I'm having quite a bit of difficulty getting her to go in her house. There are some exceptions, and this little one kept running back out as soon as she went in. They can bite, but it's pretty harmless to people unless you happen to be allergic to them. I hope you liked the video, and please drop us a comment with what we should name this little guy or girl.